Hello guys, kamusta? Welcome to my vlog again. Today's upload mga guys is we have an important matter to do. That's why we're together with my love. So first thing na ginawa namin dito guys is we traveled here and we made a recess kasi gutom na daw siya. So what I did is pinagbigyan ko siya. We took our photo for remembrance and it is our first time to be in this place mga guys. And as you can see, there are a lot of biscuits, cookies, and foods. And very affordable yung kanilang mga delicacies and yung mga foods nila dito. And umorder na kami mga guys and we are waiting for it. Then yung mga staff nila dito mga guys are very approachable, very accommodated, and very helpful. And yung in-order namin dyan mga guys is cookies and a bread shaped like a circle. And after namin kumain dito mga guys, we went to a place to eat again, o diba? This is one of my fave mga guys, hot choco and one Bavarian. Pero hindi ko naubos dyan yung chocolate kasi sumakit yung tiyan ko. While we are eating, we are having our vlog together. Yung sa kanya is also Bavarian strawberry. And napakasarap din. Then we took a picture again for our memories and remembrance as we go home. And that's all for today's upload mga guys. God bless!